We're back at Los Hernandez to see how James Beard award-winning Felipe Hernandez and his team are making a big impact from their small town.
What seems to be people's favorite tamales here?
Overall, has been the growth of the asparagus and a vegetarian. We do that in the spring because of the harvest that we have here, the local crop, and bringing it in, from farm to table, that kind of thing.
And it's not just the local produce that makes their tamales so special.
So tamale is the masa, it's not the meat.
The masa, the cornmeal, oh my gosh, it's so good.
I haven't had like the tamales are usually the harder of the masa, but these to me are just really delicious.
I've never had masa that was so good, flavorful. So you're gonna show me how to make some of your famous tamales,
Yes,
right?
we're gonna put our shortening here.
Okay.
Do this
So this
to
is
blend
where
the spices.
some of the flavor comes
Yes.
from.
We heat up the shortening and add some flour to the pan. After cooking the flour down for a few minutes, Felipe adds in his secret spice mix.
Is this
Yes,
secret?
it is.
It's secret. Okay.
It is a secret.
It's
thing.
a secret.
And
Wow,
this
this
is-
looks great. Look at
It's
that
very
color.
tasty.
Yeah.
Then we'll take this and we throw it in here with the meat that was prepared.
And this
Or
is chicken?
This is chicken,
chicken?
yes.
Okay.
And you will stir it and just all the way around. Get it all blended together. And it gets tiring. It is work,
Yeah.
but you have to do this.
So this then cools?
Yes, we have to cool it now. It should be 180 or thereabouts.
You can't put this in a tamale because it would just all...
Yeah, it would just run out.
Yeah.
While our chicken tamale filling is chilling in the freezer, we prepare our jalapeno and cheese tamales.
And so de-seeding these helps kind of keep the heat down a little
Yes,
bit, right?
it does. I don't know individually, one is hotter than the other,
Right.
but at least we're trying to
Exactly.
regulate it,
And
to work around.
so these come from
Well,
around here?
The harvest is beginning to start here now.
Yeah.
So we will use what we can out of the local area.
Yeah. Awesome.
Everybody else supports us, so we want to support the
Right.
farmers also. The next step on this, we cut it in the strips like this. Okay, now the next thing we do is the masa here.
So this is the key to everything.
Yes, this is already blended. It has our spices, our special blend.
Yeah.
We incorporated it. What we do is blend this all together. You gotta put
Okay.
some love into it.
Okay.
I'll throw it in there.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I can't believe how much cheese is going in here.
Yeah. So you can see the jalapeno, you can see the cheese.
Yeah.
You're not doing it because it's cheap.
Right.
You want quality food.
Yeah.
You want someone to say, this is good. We didn't put 1 cube of cheese
Right.
in the whole tamale. Try to find it. You're not gonna find it, Now we're gonna assemble a tamale.
Okay.
One of the important things too is the quality of the corn husk. Get a portion that you want.
Okay.
Say like this.
Yeah.
Say, and just roll it like this and then conform it just like that and then roll it. And you want to roll it, so you have some at the end here so it's filled up. And then you fold this in.
Oh, I got it the wrong end.
That you fold it to seal it. See how this is right here?
Uh-huh.
See, it goes this way like this. Okay, and then you lock it in.
Okay, that one looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks good. There you go.
It is kind of fun to make them though.
Oh, it is this
Yeah,
way. See,
yeah.
there you go. Now you're a
Look
professional.
at those.
Once the tamales are assembled, Felipe steams them in a pot and they're ready to eat.
And a lot of folks don't know that. You don't need the corn husk.
No.
I don't want to insult you, but don't need the corn husk. I'm going to have a bite also.
You're right.
The corn.
The masa is amazing. I can tell that there's a lot of love in here.
They're just delicious,
You
for
are the
me.
tamale king.